A couple thoughts that come out of a motherfucking 20-year-old's head. Grew up in the projects, in the Duperville projects. Okay, now, jobs, people bitch about, oh, I ain't got a job, I got laid off, oh, motherfucking blah, blah, blah. Okay, nigga, one or two motherfucking reasons, okay? You either went to high school and you dropped out. Why did you drop out? Because you're a stupid motherfucker that got lazy, started fucking, got a baby, whatever the fuck. High school is the easiest motherfucking thing that you can ever complete. A GED, a high school diploma, whatever the fuck. That's the easiest thing you can ever complete. Once you got that, nigga, get your motherfucking self a job. Go work at T-Mobile, Verizon Wireless, whatever the fuck. They'll start you off at like $13 an hour, fool. When I started at $13 an hour, that was enough for me to get my own fucking apartment, my own car. I got a Zion TC07 right off the bat, and I'm still paying that shit. Got my own apartment, got everything with myself. You know what I'm saying? So stop bitching about, oh, I got laid off, motherfucker. If you got a GED, get your motherfucking ass to VerizonWireless.com/careers and apply for a motherfucking job, dog. Stop bitching, dude. People bitch too much. If you ain't got a GED, well, guess what? You ended up and fucked up. So that's your fault, nigga. That's all I got.